Hi guys, for today's video we are going to be making some delicious chocolate chip cookies. This is always a very highly requested video. So we are going to start with some brown sugar and I'm going to add my butter. We also have some vanilla, baking powder, egg, chocolate chips and some self-raising flour. So brown sugar has gone in. Next is my butter and I'm going to cream these together until they're nice and soft. Now, so my butter and my sugar has been mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes and I have scraped down the sides a few times just to help with the mixing. To this, I am adding in my 1 egg and dash of vanilla is in there as well. So I'm going to mix these until we are left with a lovely, soft, smooth paste. Now, so that is my butter and my sugar, my eggs and vanilla all mixed in together there. Next up, what I'm going to do is just scrape down the sides again, so you can see here, lovely and soft, if you can see that. There we go. Again, I'm just going to scrape this off and we are going to add in our dried ingredients. So that is our self-raising flour. Just going to add that straight in. And we also have baking powder. That is also just been added in now. That's all our baking powder in. And we are just going to give this a quick mix to incorporate the dry ingredients. And then we will add in our chocolate chips. So our flour has been fully incorporated. Next, I am going to add in my chocolate chips. Now, this is where you can get creative. You can add in milk chocolate, white chocolate. You can add in dried fruits instead of the chocolate. You can add in nuts. This is the basic cookie mix here. So everything else in on top of this is up to you and your personal taste. I'm going to go with a classic dark chocolate chip cookie. And I'm literally just going to pop this down and give it a mix until everything is fully combined. So I have just turned my cookie dough out onto a floured work surface and I am going to divide this up into 8 equal size cookies and put them onto my lined tray. So I have put my cookies onto 2 lined trays. I've just rolled them into these balls and they are popped into a preheated oven set at 180, 160 fan and are baked for 12 to 15 minutes. Now, so my cookies have been baking for 15 minutes and they are ready to be taken out of the oven here. And as you can see, what a beautiful golden brown colour. Now, these are super soft right now, so make sure that you let them cool down on the tray before you tuck in.